Hello grade 7, I am Ma'am Romano and welcome to my class. Congratulations my dear students, you are now in Module 3, Part 1, the absolute value. Before we proceed, let us answer number 3 given in our last video lesson about Venn diagram. Thank you for all my students who tried their best to answer in the comment section. Let us see if you get the correct answer. Here's our answer. Did you get it right? Very good. Now, let's proceed to our lesson. I want to take you on an adventure through the worlds of number. Let us start at the beginning. What is the simplest idea of a number? That's right. Number is something to count with. Here is a simple chart about numbers. So numbers is subdivided into two categories, the real and imaginary. Imaginary numbers are roots of negative number, while real numbers have two types, the irrational and the rational. Irrational numbers cannot be written as a simple fraction, while rational numbers are any numbers that can be written as a fraction. Under the rational, we have the fraction and the integers. Fraction represents a part of a whole, while integers have the positive, zero, and negative numbers. Positive numbers are also the numbers that we call counting numbers. And the symbol for this is like a plus sign, while for the negative is the minus sign. And take note of this, 0 is a neutral number. It is neither positive nor negative. Now let's discuss the number line. Are you familiar with this? Do you know how to use a number line? That is what we are going to study. Writing number down on a number line makes it easy to tell which number are greater or lesser. The number line is a useful tool in comparing positive and negative numbers. As you can see, a number line is just a simple straight line with arrows on both ends. So on the left side, we have the negative numbers, and on the right side, we have the positive. And at the middle or at the center of the number line, we have the 0. The arrows on both ends are important because it tells that both sides, left and right, continues forever. We have infinite set of negative numbers, and we also have infinite set of positive numbers. How do we compare two integers? Recall this. Positive numbers is always greater in value than the negative numbers. Laging tandaan, ang positive numbers ay mas mataas kumpara sa negative numbers. The numbers at the right side of the other is greater than in the value than the left side. So tandaan natin sa pagko-compare gamit ang number line, kung ano ang number na laging nasa right side ay mas mataas ito palagi kumpara sa nasa left side niya. In comparing two negative numbers, the smaller the number, the greater the value. Kapag naman dalawang negative numbers ang kinukumpara natin, the more na mas mababa yung number, mas mataas ito sa value. Let us try this exercise. Using the number line, write the symbol greater than, less than, or equal in each blank to make each expression true. You have 1 minute to answer, and your timer starts now. 10 seconds. Time's up. Let's check our answers. For number 1, we have positive 7, blank positive 4. That's right. It should be greater than. So we have positive 7 is greater than positive 4. Number 2, we have 0 and negative 5. That's correct. 0 is greater than negative 5. Laging tandaan, ang negative number ay mas mababa kaysa 0. Number 3, negative 9 and positive 9. That's correct. Negative 9 is less than positive 9. Laging tandaan, mas mababa ang negative numbers kaysa positive numbers. And number 4, we have negative 4, blank negative 6. Very good. That is negative 4 is greater than negative 6. Laging tandaan, mas mababa ang number, mas mataas ang value. And last, number 5, the absolute value of negative 2 and positive 2. Very good. That is equal. Did you get a perfect score? Very good. So, what is an absolute value of a number? The absolute value of a number is the distance of the number from 0, also known as the origin. It is denoted by two vertical bars like this. The absolute value of a number is never negative. Let's take a look with this number line. We have negative 3 and positive 3. But both of them tells us that there is 3 units away from 0. Let us have more examples. The absolute value of negative 5 is equal to 5. This means that negative 5 is 5 units to the left of 0. Another is the absolute value of positive 8 is equal to 8. This means that positive 8 is 8 units to the right of 0. And last, the absolute value of 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. This means that the absolute value of 8 plus 5 is 13 units to the right of 0. What have you noticed? Ano ang ini-indicate ng negative at positive sign? That's correct. It tells us if it is units to the left or right of a 0. If we have positive, it means the units to the right of 0. And when we have negative, the units to the left of 0. Let us try this exercise. Using the number line, name the integer based on the given description. 1. 3 units to the left of C. C is equal to 2, so 3 units to its left will be equal to negative 1. That's right. Let us have number 2. 1 unit to the left of A. A is at negative 1. So 1 unit to its left, we will arrive to, that's correct, negative 2. Number 3, 4 units to the right of E. E is equal to negative 8. So 4 units to its right, we will arrive at negative 4. Very good. And number 4, 5 units to the right of B. Zero. You're doing great. And last, we have 2 units to the left of D. D is equal to 7, so 2 units to its left will equal to 5. Very good. That's all for now. See you on Module 3, Part 2. Keep safe and God bless.